The couple's going for a walk. Mickey's gotten dressed, but Sweetie's still getting ready. She's up to something. Sweetie attaches a piece of double-sided tape to a fluffy pom-pom. She comes up to Mickey, smooths his cap, and sticks the pom-pom secretly on top. We're ready! Let's go! Sweetie takes out her tea bottle. What's there inside? It's not a piece of fruit. Ugh! Muck! Mickey's put an alien into her bottle. He finds it funny, unlike Sweetie, who's resenting it. Mickey knows how to apologize. He's made a gift for his girlfriend. When at home, Mickey hides an onion in a gift box. Oh, this sly, handsome boy! Sweetie opens her gift, expecting to see something beautiful. And what does she see? An onion! Sweetie's crying. It could be because of the onion, or because she feels unhappy. When outdoors, Mickey feels there's something wrong. Why are they staring at him? Did he forget to trim his designer stubble? When he takes off his cap, he sees what's wrong. A secret pom-pom. Mickey feels unhappy. His fish seems to be the only one he can trust in this cruel world. Frustrated with the situation, he falls asleep. And a friendly Sweetie prepares another prank. She crawls to her sleeping boyfriend like a secret agent. She attaches Mickey's slippers to the floor using double-sided tape. Mickey puts on his slippers and falls on the floor. Caring Sweetie certainly shoots it with her phone. She's going to upload it to YouTube to keep for her descendants. Sweetie dreams of a dog. Mickey seems to fulfill her wish. He takes his phone and turns on the sound of a barking puppy. He comes up to Sweetie. She's sure he's holding a real puppy behind his back. No way! Mickey gives her a toy dog. No puppies were harmed in the making of this video. Sweetie's made a funny mug. Trace a mug on white cardboard. Draw a funny dog face with a sticking out tongue. Color it using acrylic paint. Shade the muzzle with a black marker. Define the outline and cut it out. Attach the picture to the bottom of the mug. She brings tea for her boyfriend. Mickey drinks his tea and doesn't suspect anything. Sweetie takes a picture of her favorite pet. She still dreams of a dog. And Mickey dreams of a chocolate donut. So does Sweetie. They fight for the dessert. Okay, help yourself. This donut's made of a special dough. We'll need a hair donut. Melt dark chocolate in a double boiler. Coat the bun donut. Refrigerate it to cool. Apply another coat of chocolate sprinkles. Decorate it with the sprinkles. Sweetie takes the donut, but it's not edible. It's a hair donut. Eat your dessert yourself. I don't want to. Did you like the new couple's pranks? Write in your comments whom you support. A handsome Mickey or the pretty Sweetie? Whose side are you on? Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button and click the bell so that you'll be among the first to watch a new video.